Good morning, traders. Friday, May 8th. This had the non-farm payrolls come out better than expected. However, to counter that, we have some geopolitical tensions in the Strait of Hormuz. So initially we had a pop here on the Qs, and now we got a pullback. And the geopolitical thing might be the main story here. But yeah, we're a minute from market open, or less than a minute, just a few seconds. So here we go. Let's go. Overall, I'm bullish, but let's see how this plays out. Watching Nvidia. Intel. Microsoft for a short, but I think I'm just going to stick with the Qs for the open here. Excuse me. A little taster on the Qs. Already up 7%. Adding some size. Average price 286. Stop at 266. I'm just going to go 264. Up 3%, 4%, 5%. 7%. Okay, we're up at 10%, 12%. $9.48. $10.4. It's kind of stalling out a bit. I think I'm gonna take out half here. Up at 11%. Up at 15%. Okay, a bit of a pullback here. I'm not one to sit and pull back. So 17%. Wow. One more push here. Oh, so okay, I'm gonna get out here. Okay, awesome trade. Now I'm gonna wait for a pullback and re-enter. So Nvidia is rocking it. Intel's rocking it. Everything's rocking it. Microsoft's not, so that's a good short if things turn south here. I had 7 of 5s before, which is obviously up here. See that curling here a little bit. You can see my options definitely curled off. But I think it is going to drive one more time here, but like I said, I just want to look for a pullback here. Microsoft 414s look interesting to me, or 412s. Huge spreads though. A little bit too much risk given that. Intel's curling back. AMD is still strong. Nvidia is still strong. Just watching Nvidia here. I feel Nvidia is a good trade today, but very volatile options here, swinging like crazy. So you gotta be careful here. It's inside its 5-minute orb. You can see those lines there. I think I'm just gonna stick to the Qs here. Here's the pullback. Now, does it get bought back up? Okay, well, I'm very happy with my first trade because I got out perfectly. Question is the dip, is the pullback going to be bought back up? I think the answer is yes, but we have to be patient here. Okay, we're just gonna hop in here. Nice small position. Average price 355, 335 stop. Looks a bit dicey. Okay, I'm gonna get out for a tiny paper cut. Basically just lost $5, no big deal. It's interesting that the SPY.
Remember, it's coming up at 10 a.m. We do have your Michigan consumer sentiment. We are expecting a print of 49.7.
So it just cracked below the 9. Don't want to be early for the party here. So we're inside the 5-minute orb, which is hard to read here, but basically 702.4, I guess. The SPY is looking a little bit choppy here. Okay. Try one more time here. Average price 362. Stop at 342. Up 5%. Here we're going to add one. So average price is now 3.7. Up 3%. Stop to 3.6. $3.58. You can see that over here. So we're up just 1% now. You might want to have a slightly tighter stop here. 3.65. 3.64. Come on, buyers. Doesn't look good, I'm not going to lie. Okay. Okay, that's a little bit better. 4.5. 3.3. 2, 3. Come on, push. S&P is looking better. 3.87, 3.6%, 3.8. Let's go, let's go. Okay, that's good. Up 10%, 11%. Okay, gonna take out half. 422. Okay, we just have a runner now. Yee, 14%. Average price 3.7. So just put it to 385. And we will just sit in this and see what happens. 16%. Let's go. Let's go. 17%. 19%. Wow. I only have one contract left, so we're just letting this ride. 21%. Let's go. Okay. Let's not be greedy. What's mine? A 705. So it'd be nice to hold it to 705. But we're not going to do that. We're going to sell it at 704.5 because that's what everyone else is going to do. Institutions aren't waiting until 705. They're going to sell a little bit before retail. 21, 22%. Let's go. 21.5. 22. One more push. I'm not going to be greedy. Here we go. Oop. Selling at 463. 23%. Let's go. Let's go. Massive gains. Let's go. Okay, there's lots of buying coming in here. So now I'm gonna just look at 710s here. That's a bit cray. Are we really going to 710 today? Who knows? Okay, looking for the next pullback. Okay, let's go look around a bit. Microsoft changed its mind. ABGO's barcoding. Intel's below the orb. AMT's breaking out. Nvidia's breaking out. Qualcomm was my other trade. Did not take it. Look at that textbook. Let's go. $705 was my resistance. Why was that? I think it was just a psychological number I chose because it's kind of like a blue sky setup. So let me check my news squawk here.
Remember, it's coming up at 10 a.m. We do have in Michigan consumer sentiment. We are expecting a print of 49.7.
So we got Michigan consumer sentiment. Let's go see what the estimates are for that. Michigan consumer sentiment consensus 495. So we'll keep an eye on that in 12 minutes. Could be good to be flat, aka out of a trade when those numbers come out. So maybe I won't be in a rush to re-enter just yet, but it is 10 minutes away. Plenty of time. AMD is just a monster these days. They ain't listening to no one. 433. Holy smokes. Wee. Okay, well, maybe I'll end the video there. I'm just kind of waiting for a Q pullback, but we got some pretty massive gains this morning. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Happy Friday, and I'll see you Monday.